Hey guys, what I have here is the Victsing Pioneer wireless mouse. Probably you never heard of the brand before, but that's fine. You just need to know that the price is only a fraction of the Logitech MX Master. So, could it be the cheap alternative to the Logitech MX Master? Well, let's find out. Okay, let's unbox it. Comes in a very normal packaging, nothing fancy. That is the manual. We might need it later. Let's open it. This is the mouse itself. And a USB dongle. And a USB charging cable. Oh, have I told you that this is also a rechargeable mouse? Is the micro USB to USB-A cable. Well, it really feels good to the touch. The rubberized wall have some pretty cool Y-shaped pattern. Its weight is just nice for me. I will weight it and put the exact number on the screen somewhere. That's where you charge it. Overall, the build quality is not bad at all. Very impressive for the price. Well, the mouse feels very comfortable in my hand. And the button should have the silent click as advertised. I can still hear some click noise, but not as loud. So let's compare to the Logitech M330 silent mouse. Yes, it is quiet, but not as quiet as the Logitech. Okay, let's hear it again. But the middle button don't have the silent click. The scroll wheel is the conventional type with step. It doesn't have the free scroll function like in the Logitech mouse. And this is the DPI setting button. It will cycle through 5 different DPI. Now this is the horizontal scroll wheel. It will just scroll smoothly. These are the forward and backward buttons. Too bad that you cannot program it to something else like in the Logitech mouse could. You can switch between 3 devices using this button. One with USB dongle and 2 with Bluetooth. To turn on the mouse, just slide the switch to the on position. And the mouse is just using the normal mouse sensor with red LED. It will also indicate which mode you are in right now. USB dongle, Bluetooth 1 or Bluetooth 2. And the mouse is built in with 500 mAh lithium battery. And you can charge the mouse with a USB cable with standby time of 4 to 6 months. First, let's try to connect it with the USB dongle. Switch the mouse to USB dongle mode and it will just work immediately. I did try to connect the mouse through Bluetooth to my 2010 MacBook Pro, but it just doesn't work, so let's try to connect it to my PC. First press and hold down the button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks quicker than before. Okay, now the mouse should be able to be discovered by the PC. Then at the Windows settings, just find and add the mouse. Okay, now the mouse is working. So after you pair it, you don't have to pair it again every time you want to use the mouse. You can switch between 3 computers quickly by pressing the mode button. Okay, to charge the mouse, you can use the included cable or any micro USB cable. Plug it into a USB port or any USB power adapter to start charging. And you can still use the mouse while charging. Great. So, is this the mouse for you? If you just want to have a comfortable mouse with a side scroll wheel and don't have a lot of budget for it, then yes, this will be the mouse for you. But if you plan to use your mouse on a glass table and you like to have a fancy scroll wheel and you have a lot of budget for it, then no. Thanks for watching.